Hello, and welcome back. I hope all of you are doing well, fellows. Today, I'm going to share with you some very simple and I would say very useful tip that is around automating your Excel spreadsheet. So I'll record a couple of sessions on this topic so that I can explain in detail and step by step the approach how you can automate your screens, your workbooks in order to facilitate some tasks that are very manual. So very simple. You go to your Excel workbook. There is a tab Automate. If you don't have it, you can go into the update of your ribbon and you can pull it back there. So on the Automate, there are multiple options. For example, automating tasks, automating actions, writing new scripts. I understand we are not programmers, so I'm going to go a very simple way to start with. So the first one is record action. You click on it and it will take you on the right hand side to the record action ideas, which you can do. And it's also showing you can start your recording. So it has started the recording. So I will do some tasks here. For example, I will do some formatting. I go on to the home tab. I select some data. I pull it some, let's say, coloring that I want to give away to this screen. And then I will put another color, let's say a different one, just in order to see how it works for me. And then, as a matter of fact, I am getting along well with this, so I'm going to pull one more different color here. The moment I'm going to pull this color, now this actions have been completed or scripting. So if you have a standard data set, you can perform some scripting on it. And later on, when you get more data, it will automatically perform that formatting on it. So this is just a concept. I will stop recording here. So the actions have been recorded and there is one, I would say, code editor open now. There are scripts which I can see here. I can rename it. So for example, I will rename this script as formatting script. So this is my formatting script. Let's delete this data for a moment, or this formatting for a moment. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to try now using the script that I have. So I'm going back on the normal screen. I'm going to come to this script, as you can see here, click on run. The moment I run, the script will start running and it will automatically format the data for me. So as easy as this is automation in Excel now, you can automate tasks as well. And we'll go in the next video on automating the tasks. In automating the tasks, we will see some standard examples like automating some scheduling some scripts for Microsoft Excel, for Microsoft PowerPoint, and for your Outlook as well. So with all this subject, we will definitely go into more details next time. But for the time being, do practice this, apply it on your data, and do share your comments and your feedback in the comment section. Don't forget to subscribe my channel. And till the time we speak again, take care.